Hey guys, so if you have the issue with your Legion Go not showing FPS, this is the one thing that you can try. Maybe it's going to do. Update to the latest official BIOS and GPU drivers. If you're already on them, good. Open a task manager, go to startup, disable AMD software from starting with the Windows startup. Reboot, FPS counter now works. Then you just want to check on the next GPU update, theoretically this week or next, to see if you can re-enable the AMD software. And I highly recommend just setting up RTX instead. It's got way better slew metrics, including frame time. And RTX is just instantly good at frame pacing, so you would want it anyway with this sort of device and its feature set. So this is something that you want to do, and try it out. It's something I found already. Maybe it's going to help fix the issue for you. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.